Okay, so now we're going to talk about Vizzlie. Vizzlie is a website that's optional. However, I do suggest it. You can get a free service and not have to pay until you want to use the features of automated posting into a group or the Vizzlie email campaigns. So I suggest in your first 6 months or so, just use the free trial version. Works perfectly fine until you're ready to use those other features. So I'll give you, or your team leader will give you a referral code that's down here. You'll just, she'll just click that and then copy and send that. For every 3 referrals that you have for girls underneath you or people that use your code, you'll get a free month on Vizzlie. So Vizzlie is pretty simple. There's some categories here on the left side. I'll kind of go through them really quick. Back in the past, we were able to automate posts to events until Facebook blocked third-party posting sites. So unfortunately, we can't do that. So most of our editing will be done in groups or in templates. Here's the email campaigns that I was telling you about. You can automate emails to your hostess for hostess coaching. You can automate your customer service thank yous and any new recruit training. So that's pretty nice to have. The templates is all of the templates that codes that you upload. Your team leader or myself can give you different templates for maybe back to school or Christmas or $5 book sales or anything that you may need. All they would have to do is click that, and then here at the bottom just share a template and copy that code. And then the next thing we like to use is the image gallery. Any pictures that you find on the Pink Pages albums or my team page or the UBAM home office branding, you can save to your laptop or phone, and then you just come over here and you upload an image, browse your computer. You're going to pick whichever one you want and choose. You can keep picking multiple pictures and it'll keep adding it to the file. If you have file folder names, you can post it to a specific file folder and then save it. Same thing for the video gallery. You can steal that link off of YouTube, copy the link, come here to link a video, you paste it. Then you have to hit look up so you see the video picture, and then you save it, and that's going to save it to your file. Any templates that you download from myself, your team leader, Christy, Plaque, or anybody really will automatically download the video and pictures from that template. So that'll be into your storage or your albums. Let's see, you can join a team. So there's Pink Pages team. It's capital all caps Pink Pages, and that's our different shared templates that you can find. And then just your profile and your billing. You can set up your automated billing when you're ready for that. And that's pretty much it. So once you're ready to do an event, you're going to go to groups. I just like this. You can edit, duplicate a template. So say I gave you a Christmas template. When you open that template, instead of share, there'll be a button that says duplicate template. You can edit straight out of the duplicated template and just name it your hostess's name, like Allison's Party, and just edit from there. But I like to go to my groups and just pick a random group. It doesn't matter what group it is. I'll just pick a group. Oh, sorry, let me back up a little bit. So before you can do that, you're going to have to hit track group. So you would have to track a group. Yes, that pops up to your tracked groups. Then you can open that tracked group. And you're going to come down here and you're going to use a template. So whatever templates you've already previously downloaded, you're going to pick one. Let's just pick new releases. And then if you were automating to the group, you would set the party date and time. If you're not, don't worry about it. Just load that template. And then these are all the posts that are going to go up. Okay. So what I like to do is to kind of check out the preview mode. So you're going to click one of these and you're going to hit preview. Anytime that there is a little bracket that's highlighted yellow, those are the things that you need to fix. Those are placeholders, so that way you don't post the wrong name to the wrong party. So I would go back here and I would click this again and I would hit edit. Then I would come in here and I would highlight this and delete that. And I would put the new hostess's name. And then I would just kind of scan through to make sure I got it all and then update. So then once you come back into it, this highlighted and brackets should be totally off with the new hostess's name. So then I just do the same thing. I'll go through every post and just make sure I don't need to fix anything. You can only post one video at a time, or you can post multiple pictures at a time. So then I just go through and edit everything. I suggest using my same template or somebody's template that you're comfortable with. Actually, let me back up. I suggest using your team leader's templates for the first 6 months until you're comfortable to go and edit or create a new template on your own. So I would just go through and fix every single place marker on there. And then if there were some posts that you didn't want, say you didn't want this catalog, you can just go and delete it. And that's pretty much it. So once it comes time to posting to your live party, so say it was the night of the party, we're gonna post the 1 hour, the 20-minute reminder, and then the welcome. So I'm gonna come, party starting, it's 8 p.m. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna copy this. And then I'm gonna save both pictures to my phone or my laptop. And then I'm gonna pop over to my Facebook party. Say this was my Facebook party. I'm gonna paste that text and I'm gonna post those pictures, and then I'm gonna hit post, and that's gonna be my first welcome post right at 8 p.m. If it were a video, you're just gonna come in, you're gonna copy this text, go to Facebook, paste it, pop back over to Vizzlie, and then, oops, let me just come here and you're gonna save this link right here. Copy link, pop back to the same post that you're posting on, and then you're gonna paste it and then post. So there's the video, there's your text, and you're gonna post. So you're gonna do that for every single post. So at whatever time, say your party started at 8 p.m., you're gonna post the welcome, and then every post after is gonna be about 5 or 6 minutes apart. If it were a post with just a picture, maybe I'd post it for like 3 minutes and then I'd move on to the next. If it were my hostess and join, that's about, I would do about 4 to 5 minutes apart, and then your shopping post, and there should be a thank you. I don't have the thank you on here. So shopping post and thank you are your very last post. Then the following day, you're going to have a day after post. I usually post about 8 a.m. And then a last call. If it's ending the night of, it's 8 p.m. So you want to give them a 4-hour warning that the party's ending. If you're going to post like an extension, maybe you had some people that still want to have a order from the party, I would post extension directly onto Facebook and then wait till whatever day you're ending to post the last call. So that's pretty much it for Vizzlie. It's super easy. As you do it a couple times, you're going to become more and more comfortable with it. Don't hesitate to reach out to myself or your team leader and ask any questions that you have.